Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Hope you guys are your day is going good. All right, so in this video, I want to touch a bit about Flutterwave, um, and the problems with Flutterwave that people are struggling with. Okay, in regards to e-commerce and dropshipping. So if you're selling products to the Western countries, receiving payments in dollars and all that, and if you're actively doing that, then you would notice that like your failure rate is actually high. That means customers, come to go through a checkout, and they get to the Flutterwave payment gateway, and they put in their you know debit or credit card details, and they try to make payment, but get an error. They get an error saying your card is not 3DS. All right, it's not 3D secured, and you're scratching your head because you don't know what to do. You don't know how to solve that problem. Now, let me explain to you what 3DS means. All right, three-dimensional secured. Dimensional secured is a system in which, um, to the card owner, all right, to the card manufacturer, Visa, Mastercard, American Express, etc. It's a system for them to verify that the person making the transaction is the real owner of the card. All right. So it's a way to prevent fraud from happening. That means someone else using your card to make a transaction or to purchase something online without your authorization. All right. So they have to verify that you are, like, this is not fraud, and you are the person making this transaction. All right. That is why 3DS exists. Okay. Now Flutterwave. All right. Flutterwave has said multiple times that um, they cannot process cards that are not 3DS. So, you have to, in some countries, all right, 3DS are optional. That means the person has to opt in for 3DS, all right, in some countries, especially North American countries, right? So USA, Canada, and then Australia, etc. Whilst countries like Nigeria, South Africa, 3DS is mandated. That means every single card that you have from your bank is 3DS secured, right? Um, so when you shop online, or if you use Flutterwave, if you try to buy an item from Flutterwave, using your Nigerian card, you won't get any problems. All right. But if your customer from the US or Canada, Australia tries to make a purchase, there is a high chance that it wouldn't go through because it is very optional. They don't take it serious at all. All right. So that is why you are having problems with using Flutterwave. There are ways in which you can reduce the failure rate. There are things you can do to reduce it. We reveal that information in our Dynamics program. This video, I just wanted to explain to you guys, whilst you're facing the failure rate problems, your customers can't make payment to you when you are using Flutterwave payment gateways, and they keep getting the error saying their card is not 3D secured. Okay, so how the verification method normally works is they can either ask you a security question, so your mother's maiden name, or the street you grew up in when you were a child, or they can either send you an OTP, so send you a six digit code to your email or to your phone number. Um, and when you input the six-digit code, your transaction goes through. That way, they can verify that you are the person, or your customer is the person. Your like the owner of the card is the person making the transaction. Okay, that is why you're facing the problem. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope that I am able to explain the reasons why you're facing the payment failure, or your customers are having payment failure when they come into your dropshipping website to place an order. Okay. If you want to gain more insight, you want us to provide you with a solution to help you reduce the failure rate, guys, reach out to us. Join our Dynamics training program. It is extremely valuable. um, ask us about it, and let us enroll you, let us add you to the Dynamics training program, so you can receive the value. That is going to be all for this video, guys. Thank you for listening. I'll see you next time.